depending on the size of the estate, giving to charity may or may not have any tax impacts. I would always recommend that somebody that is making gifts that in their mind have some tax motivation behind them, I would always tell them, you need to speak with a tax specialist. For instance, I do a lot of estate planning, but almost all of the estate planning that I do is for people in middle income brackets. These are not extremely wealthy people, and you have to be extremely wealthy. And we're talking north of $12 million net worth now before estate taxes become a concern. The other thing would be, and I'm always careful on this when somebody has a charity that they want to give to, I will tell them, don't just tell me the name. I want you to go online and I need you to get the exact name. I need you to get the address of their current headquarters, so that I'm going to put not only the name of the charity, I'm going to show their headquarters in the trust or the will, whichever document I'm drafting. I've got an estate that I'm handling right now where the creator of the trust left a gift. She named several charities, and one of them, we don't know which one she intended it to. She was leaving it to a homeless shelter in Los Angeles, and the wording that she used in it could have applied to one of two different charities. We weren't sure which one she meant. We knew it was one of them, but we weren't sure. So in that case, I wrote a letter to both of them saying, look, we don't know, and we're not going to decide. You're either going to work this out between yourselves, or we'll have to go to court and have a judge look at all the evidence, see if the judge can decide which one was intended. Now, I just heard back from the charities the other day, and they said, we've just decided we'll split the gift. And that solved the problem. But it doesn't really solve the problem in the sense that the one that created the trust really only intended that it go to one of those charities. And so her wishes were, to that extent, defeated because she didn't correctly identify the charity.